Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is July 19, 2021. I am making a video to cover last week trading. That's week number 28. I was busy this weekend, didn't get a chance to put out video for trading week number 28, so that's what I'm going to do in this video. Before I go on, don't forget, catch me on Facebook. Join Facebook group Investing 102. You can find me there. You get a chance to level up your investment thinking, where we cover a little bit of every topic: options, real estate, stock, insurance, crypto, a little bit of everything. Or another place you can catch me is the Financially Fit Club in another Facebook group. So I'll catch you there. If you have any questions, you can reach me there, ask me a question. Before we go on, you can see that the markets will open down today, and this is continuing I think S&P was down for like 2 or 3 days now, so this will continue the trend, which definitely is a reversal of the 7 days up that we experienced, I think it was last week or the week before. So this is a really interesting reversal of that, and we'll see what happens next. Some people still think this is related to the COVID Delta variant, where infection rates are starting to rise in different parts of the U.S. Earnings season look good though, so that's the funniest thing. Earnings do look strong, but we'll see how this week's plays out. Let's go straight to ETRADE. So let's copy all those transactions, and we'll paste that, and then let's get the second set, copy that, and paste. Okay. And I think I'm done just fixing everything up. I added all my comments and the dates and number every transaction. I got a dividend up here. So I always save this, and then let's go and pivot. The best way I normally check my data is by pivoting it. I can tell if something went right or wrong. So let me go up here. I'm gonna go over here, and then whoops, sorry about that. Let's go do a right mouse click and hit the refresh, and there you go, the pivot. And what I'm going to do is just remove previous month and leave just the July data there. So that looks okay. Next thing I do is go to the month data and hit refresh over here. And this is bad. You see that? I'm on a losing streak. So this is really bad. So as you can see, I only did 15 trades last week on the week of the 28th, and brings my total trades to 776. But the bad thing is, not only was it a second week of losses, it was a pretty big week of losses. Normally it's really small and you can make up for it in the next few days. But this was really bad, and we'll just take a quick look at the numbers again so you can see what happened. But it was the day where I had to adjust all my iron condors, and I believe it was another on that day, on the 13th, I think the S&P was on that multiple win streak, and I had to close them or roll them. Either way, I took a lot of losses, which is a continuation of last week. So you can see what the problem is. The only things that I made money on were some of the cover calls, which you saw when I did it by here. You see that the cover calls were making me some money. There was some credit spreads that I got a little bit, but really the pattern is you can see what's happening. So this is a good thing about having pivot data. You can examine everything that you're doing. So in a nutshell, I had a really tough trading week, and this week is going to look really rough too. Now, again, because of the way I'm playing it, I'm not a directional bettor. What I like is I need the market to sort of not go up or down, sort of range bound. But this sharp drop, if it continues another 4 or 5 days going down, then my losses will keep on mounting just because of the way I'm playing it. And actually, this is the very critical week because if it continues to go down, what I want to do is just manage it way before it even gets tested and just roll it out into September options contract. So I'll keep an eye on it and see what happens. With that being said, let me know how your trading week went. And as always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. And as always, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.